convertible to check out here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This one's 2012 Chevrolet Camaro SS 45th anniversary convertible. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Actual mile car, 39,523 on it at the moment. Actually a two-owner car. 6.2 liter V8 underneath the hood. That's paired up with the 6-speed automatic transmission. Take a look at front grille, fascia. Of course, the 45th anniversary stripes down the hood. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see this from every angle, undersides, interior, engine bay, top up, top down. All those still pics, they can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Give you a good look at the 5-spoke wheel, Pirelli radials up front. You'll see close-ups of each wheel in the still pictures. Technician did note as far as the tires, they're date-coded 2022 in the front, 2019 on the rears, just so you're aware of the date codes. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see no major nicks, dings, or scratches. Of course, power top, black fabric, and I will show you the top functioning going up and down both ways. We'll check out the condition of that. Of course, leather bucket seat, center console. There you get a good look at the top. At least folded up in the storage area. So we slip around to the rear of the car. We'll start it up, let you hear it run. This one's got a little bit of rumble to it. Flowmaster mufflers on it. Technician also noted the brakes are 70% in the front, 75% in the rear. And once again, all those still pics can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you like Camaros, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. The videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done online or right off our showroom floor. I did notice one little dinger right there, but look at the reflection in that paint. You can see nice luster to it. Couple real small touch-up areas, or maybe there's been a little chip or a touch-up. Pretty minor. That's like a mirror-like finish. But I want to make you aware of those. Not going to stop you from enjoying this car. One little one kind of back here by the rear flare above that wheel well. Let's take a little closer look at this interior. Boston premium audio, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, power seat over here in the driver's side, and we do have a wear spot in that bolster I wanted to point out for you. Of course, the 45th anniversary embroidering in the backrest. Steering wheel controls would have your tap shift for the electronic shifting, not automatic. Tap shifts here. Plus on the right side, minus on the left. Of course, tilt column, cruise control. All your monitored amenities that you're going to have on more of a late model car. Take a look at the SS gauge cluster. Heated seats. We need to fire this up. So there's the exact miles, 39,523. No service engine soon lights, check engine lights, anything like that. Top of the dash looking good. Stereo's working.
Nate, Lyle, and Mike.
Pop the hood so we can take a peek at that engine bay here in a second. Let's listen first. A little rumble coming out of those Flowmasters. Let's slip up to the front so we can take a peek at the engine bay. Good look at the underside of the hood liner. Nice and clean. Here's that engine bay. A little cold air intake has been added. Strut tower brace. And again, 6.2 liter V8 power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. All right, let me go ahead and get the tripod set up. I want to show you this convertible top, how it functions. Check out the condition of it, and then stick around to the very end of the video. Jason will take this car for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. All right, convertible top up. You see it functioned as it should. Latch down above the windshield, nice fit. So black fabric. I also want to note, so you're aware of it, tinted side glass. Know your local and state laws as far as percentage of window tint that you can have. There's a little small, it's kind of wear spot. It's not really a hole, just a small wear spot right here. Need the top to keep you dry or out of the sun. It's going to serve that purpose just fine. I suppose there's a little spot where when it's down it rubs a little bit maybe. It's kind of what it looks like. Rear glass window with electric rear defog. I'm not noticing any rips, tears, holes. Again, just a little wear spot. We come over on this side. Kind of one in the similar spot, but nothing major. Again, needed to keep you dry or out of the sun. It's going to serve that purpose just fine. Side glass fits nice, and again, back above the windshield looking good. Sorry about the noise in the background there. They're vacuuming out a car, getting another one ready to be listed here at Unique Classic Cars. All right, let me go ahead and pause this a second. We'll get this on the tripod again. You'll hear a little vacuum noise, but I will show you the top functioning and going down. And then Jason's going to take it for a drive. It's a 2012 two-owner Chevrolet Camaro 45th anniversary convertible. Of course, the SS package, that 6.2 liter underneath the hood, clean Carfax. Give us a call. Let's check out the top going down. And just a reminder, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com.
Oh, that is fantastic.
Jesus.
Running on empty? Fuel up with us, George and Jeremy on Motorhood.
Jesus!
Tune in on YouTube where we dive into cars,
Who cares if it's hard on gas?
our showroom,
One of 114.
and beyond. New episodes every week, only on Motorhood.
Today we're riding in a 2012 Chevrolet Camaro. This is an SS, and it is also a convertible, also limited edition. Some of these colors you're not going to see in any other Camaro. An automatic right here between the seats makes it easy to drive. The oil pressure is showing between 30 and 50 as we take off. Nice acceleration. We have an oil temperature gauge, and that's reading approximately 150 right now. The volts are charging over 14, and a transmission temperature gauge is giving me 150 degrees as well. Stereo sounds good. Our engine temperature is a third of the way up from cold, and the fuel gauge reads a half of a tank. Tachometer and speedometer working as they should. Comfortable ride in this car. All the performance options you'd expect. Plus, it's a convertible. Very comfortable bucket seats in this car. Power windows, of course. Some steering wheel controls. Brakes nice and smooth. Very responsive throttle. Nice flat cornering. I have a heads-up display giving me my miles per hour and tachometer at the moment. Very fun to put your foot down in this car and feel the torque. Find all the pictures of this 2012 Chevrolet Camaro SS at uniqueclassiccars.com.